Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to show you how to use multiple components on VOS and on the gateway of VARA network. Well, we are going to start with this. As you can see, on the editor we have two tabs. One tab for the child and one tab for the father of the components. This is using one of the principles of React. In this case, every component can have some childs on below level. So in this case, we are going to show you how to implement it. First of all, we declare a state with the state.init. In this case, we are going to put three objects three variables inside of an object state. In this case, we have input, label, and message. In this case, this state have values of text for input, for label, and message. And as you can see, in the next line, we declare a function. In this case, is send message. It receives data, and when it's triggered, it shows us a console log with the data that it received, and it updates the state, in this case the property of message. Well, in this component that it's the father, we are going to show the state.message in a title, and also here start the child component. For this component, we are going to use the widget element. It receives the src, that is the the direction where it's the widget on the user. As you can see, here's my user slash widget slash the name of the widget that we want to load on this component. And also, this receives some props. This receives the props for input. In this case, is state.input, the label, and send message. In this case, the props of send message, it receives the function send message. It receives data, and it calls the function that we declared before. And if we see the preview of this component, you can see that here is the component, here is part of the first component, and here is the child component. In the child component, we have the label, the input, and a button to send the information to the father. As you can see, if we type something here, hello, and we click the button, the information of the state of message it's reloaded on the father and not on the child. But here is the code for the child. In this case, we have this code. In the child, we have the state. In this case, it's the button, it's the input, and we have this HTML code. Here we have the input with the value of the state that we declared before. In this case, is state.button. And on change, we update the state for the input in the way that we write something on the input. It's updated automatically. And also on the button, we on the function on click, we call from the props the function send message state.button. But in this case, because if we click on the preview, if we don't send the function on the props, it will fail. As you can see, here is the same UI that is shown on the father, but If this code doesn't receive the props, it doesn't show the label, doesn't show the text on the input, and this button will fail the execution. But this is everything for this video. This is a way to implement multiple components on VOS, and I hope this will be interesting for you on your next implementation using VARA Network. If you have any question, you can tell us on Telegram or Discord of Open Web Academy. And this will be everything for this video. Bye.